Today we will provide you with a brief description of vitamin B1, that is their sources, functions and deficiency disorders of vitamin B1, and what are possible effects of excess consumption. Vitamin B1, also known by the name thiamine, is a water-soluble vitamin. It is a sulfur-containing vitamin which is vital for metabolic activities as it helps in breakdown of sugar, fat and amino acids. Thiamine plays a vital role in cellular function and growth. Vitamin B1 is also known as anti-beriberi or anti-neuritic vitamin. Various source of vitamin B1. Plant sources, cereal, pulses, oilseed, nuts are good sources of thiamine. It is mostly concentrated in the outer layer of cereals. Animal sources, vitamin B1 is naturally found in meats, fish, egg, organ meats like liver, kidney, heart, etc. One must consume thiamine-rich food regularly to meet daily requirements. Vitamin B1 plays various important roles in human body. Number 1. Carbohydrate metabolism and energy production. Vitamin B1 plays a vital role in metabolism of glucose. It helps in the conversion of carbohydrate to energy. The requirement of vitamin B1 goes up with the increased demand of carbohydrates. Number 2. Digestion. Vitamin B1 plays a key role in normal functioning of the digestive system. Number 3. Boost immunity. Vitamin B1 is also known as anti-stress vitamins, as it helps to boost up the immune system and improve the body's ability to withstand stressful conditions. Number 4. Menstrual cramps. Taking vitamin B1 seems to decrease menstrual pain in young women and teenage girls. Number 5. Promotes eye health. Vitamin B1 is essential for a healthy eye. It may reduce the risk of cataracts. Thiamine is also known as an anti-stress vitamin. Hence it reduces inflammation and protects eyes. Number 6. Promotes kidney health. Vitamin B1 also promotes healthy kidney functioning and slows down the development and onset of kidney disease in diabetics. Number 7. Amino acid metabolism. Thiamine plays an important role in conversion of the amino acid tryptophan to the vitamin niacin. Vitamin B1 is also involved in metabolism of the branched-chain amino acids leucine, isoleucine and valine. Number 8. Brain health. Vitamin B1 helps to decrease the risk and symptoms of a specific brain disorder called Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. This brain disorder is caused by low levels of vitamin B1. It is mainly seen in alcoholics. If the diet cannot provide required vitamin B1, it can affect various parts of human body with several symptoms. Number 1. Beriberi. The deficiency of vitamin B1 results in a condition called beriberi, in which carbohydrate metabolism is impaired and accumulation of pyruvate occurs in the tissues, which is very harmful. Beriberi is characterized by multiple neuritis, myocardial failure, edema, anorexia, tingling sensation and numbness in the legs, constipation, etc. Number 2. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite with vomiting is one of the first signs of thiamine deficiency. Thiamine controls the satiety center located in the hypothalamus of the brain. In thiamine deficiency there is alteration of the normal action of the satiety center, resulting in loss of appetite. Number 3. Mental depression and weakness. The most acute symptom of thiamine deficiency is the mental confusion. Lack of vitamin B1 in diet may cause symptoms like mood changes, uneasiness, fear, disorderly thinking and other signs of mental depression, fatigue, irritability and headache. The affected individuals may voluntarily restrict their social engagements. Number 4. Blurry vision. Severe thiamine deficiencies can result in blurry vision, as deficiency of vitamin B1 can cause swelling of the optic nerve, including optic neuropathy. Number 5. Shortness of breath. Thiamine deficiency may cause shortness of breath, as lack of thiamine sometimes leads to heart failure due to impaired efficiency of heart to pump blood and can ultimately result in fluid accumulation in lungs. As a result, shortness of breath is observed. Side effects of excess consumption of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is a water-soluble vitamin that gets excreted from the body via urine, hence one has to follow a well-balanced diet to maintain a good supply of thiamine. This essential nutrient does not show any adverse effects when taken through natural food sources. Though anything more than the RDA limit without doctor's consultation might cause allergic reactions like vomiting, nausea, stomach cramp and impaired coordination and consciousness. These are some brief information about vitamin B1. Did you like it? Let us know in the comment. And if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.